Hi, this is Scott Wolber, and this screencast demonstrates how to create a tracker from the Kindergarten Math Priority Benchmark Assessments curriculum map. The first thing you do is log into Mastery Connect. This is an example of a home page. You want to go to the Mastery Tracker menu. In this menu, we see submenus of trackers and curriculum maps. We'll come back to this one in a moment. Right now, I'm going to go to Curriculum Maps. And you won't see anything to start with. You have to look under the submenus. There's Created, Using in Trackers, Archived, Collaborating on, and Shared with Me. Now most teachers will go to Shared with Me because they cannot edit the curriculum map. For this example, I'm going to go to Collaborating on, but you'll hit Shared with Me. And then you'll see the name of the curriculum map, Edina Kindergarten Priority Math Standards. And what you want to do is click this button over here, Create Tracker from Map. So I'll do that, and now I'm going to type in the name of this. I would do a descriptive title just for you and your team, like first names, kindergarten math tracker, and the school year, 2015-16. You can pick any color. I'll pick red. You have to click away to make the color box go away. And if you import here, import students from SIS is what you want to do, so it takes students in your homeroom. So I'll leave that as the default. This one is grade K, section 2, that can stay as the default. Then I'll create the tracker. Has to think a little bit to do this as it connects with ties. And here is an example of a tracker. Notice on the tracker that the tops of the columns are color-coded and they have a label. This one is the standard K11 assessing position. When I hover over that, a drop-down menu appears, and above I see the full standard. K111 represent the position of an object in a sequence. The columns that are in green are ones that the classroom teacher does the assessment for and does the recording for. These black columns are an example of assessments that go with these two columns, K121 sums and differences. At the very end, you'll see some purple columns. This is where the data will go from the universal screening from the FAST program. For now, we're going to stick with the green ones. When I'm ready to assess, there's typically a student page and a teacher page. To see the student artifact, again, when I hover over the name, there's an option for the resource pin. Click in there and follow the link to get to the student artifact for the assessment. You have to be logged into your apps account to go to Google Drive for that one. When I'm ready to assess, then I'll click on Assess. It takes me to a new screen. This screen is dedicated to this assessment, K111. All of these different columns are different versions of the assessment. So start with the left column where it says Try 1, and you want to go to Performance Grader. When I select Performance Grader, another screen comes up. The students are on the left, the teacher prompts are in the middle of the screen, and the place to record the data is on the right. I click on the student, go over here, click their score, and hit Submit. When I'm done, I need to go back a tab on my browser back to this column where it shows the results. And if I click here, I get back to the tracker and the results will be in this column.